quick video how to change oil cooler lines. First thing you're going to want to do is pop the tiny little clips off of those. Pop the little clips like those off of the old lines. You'll see the fittings are up around there. Unscrew the big fitting that goes in there, this one here, and that is a 1.25" socket. I use 12 point. And then screw in your new fittings. Hopefully you got the right ones, because I ended up having to get adapters. So screw them in, tighten it all down, use Teflon tape if you need to. And then take off your front clip, or just the guard or the grill. Put a wrench on that one there, and obviously one on the bottom of the line. Give her a good twist, get all that off. There's a bracket. Was a bracket in the box here, and we should be able to pull these lines right out now. Not bad. And there we go. So now it's as simple as putting on the new lines and tightening them down.